Hey there! Today we're tackling a common problem that many developers face when trying to squash commits in a Git repository. Picture this. You have a repo with a bunch of commits between points B and E that you want to squash. However, when you attempt to do so, the DV branch ends up in the wrong place. Frustrating, right? Now, let's dive into the solution for this problem. We start by constructing a specific history in the repo layout. We create a throwaway merge commit X at the top, connecting branches main and DV. This step sets the stage for the upcoming interactive rebase that will help us squash the desired commits between B and E effectively. Continuing from our previous step, we execute a couple of Git commands. First, we check out the main branch, and then perform a merge using the R's strategy with the DV branch. This creates the merge result X, which, although irrelevant, is crucial for the subsequent rebase operation. With the stage set, we move on to the interactive rebase. By using the rebase merges flag along with update refs and specifying the commit A as the base, we enter the interactive rebase mode. In the to-do list that appears, we'll squash commits B to E and delete the unnecessary merge command at the end to tidy things up. Lastly, we fine-tune the branch positioning by utilizing the labels onto, branch point, and DV. This ensures that the branch DV is reseated correctly on top of the rewritten side branch. Consequently, the commits B to G are correctly rebuilt on the DV branch, aligning everything as intended. To wrap things up, with these steps, you can efficiently squash commits in your Git repository while keeping all branches in their rightful places. I hope this solution proves helpful in managing your version control effectively. Remember, subscribe, like, and comment below for more tech tips. Catch you soon.